Yo guys, what is up? Ayan. So for today's training, I did bench. This is just the preparation ng bench day natin. So I was about to mix pre-workout. I used to dry scoop pre-workout before, but now I prefer na tinitimpla na lang siya as a follow-up when I'm taking fat burner. Yan. So sundat ng pre-workout. And then right after, I took creatine, but still dry scoop yung way ng pag-take ko ng creatine, because if I'm mixing it with other supplements, I think hindi ko nakukonsume lahat ng creatine na nilagay ko. Naiipon siya sa baba. Yan, so I'll be doing stretching here. I did stretching for a very, if I can say, long time. Around 30-45 minutes yata ako nag-stretch to prepare. Before, my gym mantra is just to train hard and push your limits. But today, in this season of change, ang mantra ko na ay train hard, but at the same time you must be able to enjoy the training, and you are training safe, away from any injuries possible. So if you're exercising, better stretch before doing your main workout. That will keep you safe. So I'll be starting with my warm-up sets, 2 sets of just bar, 20 kilogram bar, for like 10 to 12 repetitions. And yun lang, prep yourself for the movement para sa exercise, para braced yung katawan mo. So I added 20 kilograms plate each side for a total of 60 kilograms as my first working set. Ayan, I did like maybe 10-12 reps din doon. Then raise sa 2, 4, 6, 80 kilogram. Ayan. Sa 80, ramdam ko na yung bigat. So I did just maybe 5 repetitions. Tapos raise ulit into 90 kilograms. I don't know what's with Technogym plates, pero these weights are very heavy. Mga exercise, whether it's deadlift or squat, struggle ako pag ito yung gamit ko. I mean, pag dito ako nagtitrain sa brown boots, very heavy yung mga plates doon. Talagang nasusubok yung strength ko. And so for 90 kilograms, I just did 3 repetitions of 1 set. Struggle na yung 3rd rep, nakita nyo naman. Pero hindi tayo titigil dyan. We will attempt 100 kilograms. So additional 20 kilogram plate. It's been a very long time since the last time I tried 100 kilograms dahil nag-hiatus nga ako, nagpahinga. Busy sa business and sa coaching, nag-focus sa clients. Pero now that we are coming back, we will be attempting 100 kilograms. So first rep, okay pa yan. Down and up. Medyo struggle pero malinis. Second rep, ito na yung na-deads na. Wala na, hirap na to. So after nito, bababa yan. So after nito, ng bench, I did some accessories pero di ko na film para hindi na humaba itong video na ito. And focus lang sa main lift muna. But yeah, start na tayo. Wala nang patagal-tagal pa. Hindi natin antayin yung 2024. We'll do it now. This is the comeback. Yeah.